Hello everyone, welcome to Sea Smoke, and today, tonight we're making beignets! I bought a beignet mix, and that's how we're going to make these this evening. You can buy any kind of beignet mix you like at any of your grocery stores you'd like to shop at. So I have my mix here. I'm going to open it and add it to my mixing bowl. And it calls for 3 ounces of water, so we're going to add that also to our mixing bowl. And we're supposed to incorporate this just till it makes a doughy ball that'll come away from the side of the bowl. Now we have our dough all ready and it's tacky and wet. So I have a flour out surface, so we can add our dough to that because we're going to roll out our donuts, which that's what a beignet is a fried donut. Alright, put some water in my bowl so I'll be able to get my stuff off of it. Now my dough's still tacky, so we're going to knead it just a little bit in some flour dough, which I'm trying not to make a mess, but it looks like I'm still making a little bit of a mess anyway. And we don't want to overwork this because we don't want to make it chewy or anything. We want our dough to be nice and fluffy. Oh, where's your sister go? I need her. Alright, now we're going to roll out our dough. Okay, now you're going to put you some oil on to fry. I got a couple in here right now. It's going to do it in batches, and you're just going to wait until they get nice and golden brown and fluffy, and then you will add your powdered sugar to it while they're still warm and hot. Well, not warm, but hot. Like I said, just do them in batches. And just be careful while you're using your grease so you don't burn yourself. Sugar, why don't you get sugar on that? Okay, now all our beignets are done after we did them in batches and everything. And we powdered them with sugar. And yes, as you can see, they're not all the same size and everything, and that's okay, that's normal whenever you fry any donuts or anything like that. Unless you're making it with a machine, they're going to come out special, each and every one. Alright, so Laurel's going to try our beignets.
Exactly like a donut.
So are they good? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this dessert recipe and go out and try you something new today. So enjoy cooking. See you next time.